To install a VST plugin in Adobe Audition, first of all, you'll have to find the plugin you like. So I just chose a random plugin. This one is called Filter Jam. So let's go and install it. I'm using Windows here. And you will want to download it into, I guess the best option is just download it into Downloads folder and cut it. And the reason why I don't suggest trying to download it straight to the folder that you need it to be, because you won't be able to do it without admin's access. So now we're gonna look for Steinbeck folder. It could be a different folder for you. The way you can check is go to Adobe Audition, Audio Plugin Manager, and look. You'll probably have some folders right here. So just cut and paste into one of these folders that are here. Or if there's none of the folders, I'm not sure if that's a possibility, just create a new folder, paste it into that particular folder, and then add it right here. But in my case, I'll just paste it into Steinberg VST plugins folder. So let's go here. I'll paste it. I need admin's access. And let's extract it. So we'll need to install it. And it chooses the right folder by default. So I'll click Next, Install. And here we go. I've got my Filter Jam X64 DLL file right here. So now I can go back to Adobe Audition and I need to scan for plugins. And Filter Jam effect now has appeared right here, as you can see. And here as well. So we can click OK. Just record this sample audio. And if we go to Effects, I'm not sure where to look for this particular one. Oh yeah, so it's right here. And if I click it, I can apply the Filter Jam effect. But that's how you can download and install any kind of VST plugin in Adobe Audition.